Hey guys, what's up? Fireball Gaming here. I'm back with my second episode of Bloons TDS, exactly where we left off last time. And we just got the glue gunner last time, so yep. Let's go. See how good our stuff is right now. Can we upgrade this cannon? No, I cannot. And those monkeys. Ooh, I like that. I like sharp objects. Yes, very nice, very nice. Yes. Go faster. And let's get the triple dart for these monkeys. Look how fast these guys shoot. The ninja monkeys are OP. I'm just saying. Like, when you get those long red ones, those ninja monkeys do work. I'm just saying, they do work. Oh, look. Ooh, okay. Let's get some more cannons. It's gonna be a good idea. We need those cannons to pop the lead balloons. So let's actually set the cannons on strong so that they go for the lead balloons and fast forward. Let's upgrade those cannons if we can, anytime now. Oh my gosh, look how close we are. I'm gonna do it. 4 layers of balloon. You can pop lead in frozen balloons. Yes, need the full metal jacket. Go faster. Ooh, oh, heal. Seeking shuriken. Okay, let's get that. Go. Gotta go. Let's go. We can do this. If we believe, anything can happen if you believe. Oh my gosh, they went by fast. Oh, that ninja monkey. Those ninja monkeys, though. Exploding pineapple, whoa. Let's get a glue gunner. We just have like a massive army, front line of monkeys. And then there's that one sniper guy that's all the way back. It's glue gunner. The glue gunner is gonna help us, especially if we can get more than one, which we can. Go. Gotta go. Oh no, we're gonna have to work on that. We did that? I don't want the spike poles. I want the triple darts. Ah, dang it. I want the triple darts. Yeah. I'm gonna get another ninja monkey, just because I like them so much. They're so cute! Yeah. What are we on? The 34th level. This is gonna take a while to finish. I'm just saying. But we're working. We're working. We're doing good. Just gotta go faster. This was our first monkey, and he has 560, 570, 571, 822, 867 balloons popped. That's some work. And then you look at the ninja monkeys, 500 something. Then you look at the cannons. Nothing can compare. Nothing can compare. Let's buy this. No, I want to buy the other thing. Can I buy the other thing first? Seriously, let me buy the other thing. How am I supposed to use that? Just look in the middle of mass destruction. Bad day to be a balloon. Just saying. Yes, very nice. But yes, here's my question. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of guys. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of guys. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of guys. Okay, we got Ninja Monkeys level up. So we're gonna do that. We don't have enough for the other guy. We'll get you other guy that's left out and everything because he deserves it. Can I blow this up? Okay. I wish I had helium right now. That'd make this recording so much better. Wouldn't it? How do you do that? How do you make it squeaky? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a hole in this. There's a hole in this balloon. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Got more for attack shooter. Gonna upgrade that. Upgrade. Let's upgrade that and upgrade that. I can buy so much stuff, but like I'm not even. I'm gonna buy another Ninja Monkey. Nope, never mind. There's an upgrade for a Ninja Monkey. Super serious. Wouldn't work. Don't even care. Don't even care. Go. Let's get another one of these right there. Yeah. I like how this is coming together. Let's get 3 of those lined up. That's what we're saving up for. 3 ace monkeys lined up. Well, I guess we're not saving that up for that anymore. Okay, let's try to upgrade these ninja monkeys. Ninja that are monkeys. This looks like chaos, but literally my computer is lagging right now. Gotta upgrade for the bomb towers. Ooh, and the monkeys. Yes, monkeys that are nice because they're nice. Gotta get more. More. So greedy, don't care. Oh no. No, that's bad. That's bad. That real bad. No, that real bad, girl. No, that real bad, girl. Yeah, that real bad. That real bad, girl. That real bad. Yeah, girl. Okay. Sable's just looking at me so weirdly. Yes! I don't do this. Sable, how you doing? Oh, great. That's great. Well, that's going to be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment below what you want me to do. And if you want me to do this, just comment, keep on doing what you're doing because you're great. And yeah. But leave a like, subscribe. Have a good day.